been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating.
Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. My name is Keela. If this is your first time stopping by, hey. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I decided to do a soft glam Valentine's Day makeup look. I'm really happy with how this look turned out. Also, if you are interested in this hair, I do have a tutorial out about it, a video out about it. It is a headband wig, if you can't tell. I do have a video out for it, so go ahead and check that out as well. So if you're interested in how I got this look, continue to watch. But first, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications bell. I post videos every Thursday and you don't want to miss them. So let's get into the video.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. I need the better you. You talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter truth. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, I need the better you. Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running. you can quench this fire, no, no. So give me when I want it, baby. 'Cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now.
I've been waiting all night. Watch you blow up my life. Please don't come over, 'cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. Yeah. If our friends knew undercover love and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Please don't touch me like that, 'cause you know I'll read it. Don't make me do.
Okay guys, this is the completed look. I am obsessed with this look. It's so soft, it's pretty, it's simple. It's like, hey, I'm here, do you see me? But anyways, thank you guys for the support. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and share this video with your BFF. Thank you. I'll catch you on my next one.
Somebody told me I should hit it.